Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create stunning whiteboard animations in Canva, the easy and creative way. Let's jump right into the design. Open Canva and start by choosing a blank canvas. Next, pick simple sketch-style graphics that give off that classic whiteboard feel. Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step to make the whole process super easy and fun. Whiteboard animation has been a game-changer for storytellers and educators since the 1950s. Back then, hand-drawn visuals on a board helped simplify complex ideas and made learning fun. Fast forward to today, and we're still captivated by that timeless style. But now, it's digital and way more accessible. With Canva, you don't need any artistic skills to create that hand-drawn effect. I'll show you how to animate your elements with smooth transitions that look professional and engaging. Plus, I'll share tips to keep your audience hooked from start to finish. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, presentations, or social media, this technique will take your videos to the next level. So make sure to watch till the end to catch all the pro tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. It's going to be even more exciting. Bye for now. Double asterisk. And